All right, so this is a follow-up to my video for how I record my audio. After that dirty face ride, I had really good successful audio from the Comm system, but I did have a couple hang-ups. One is I had it in this Otterbox, which I didn't have holes in it at the time. I think it was overheating towards the beginning and would either cut out or give me a lot of crackling sound. So now I've got a bunch of holes in this thing all the way through. And so hopefully that's gonna help ventilate it. I'm also a little worried that this box could block reception, so I could be limited on distance. We'll find out today. Next thing that I'm doing, so I am still going to the Zoom recorder. You can see that down below. And then I have the Comm system up here with some foam. I can actually open this up so you can check it out. So I've got gaff tape to help this from spinning around or getting buttons pressed. I did notice I got a little bit along the way just from having this loosely in the back of my pack that it kept saying, "Say a command." It was trying to do something with the Sena. So I got this little foam. We'll put this in, and that's gonna help stop that from moving around. Next, I've got my audio cable coming out of the recorder because I really want my audio synced to a video camera. Syncing 6 hours of Comm audio to video was kind of a nightmare. Now I am doing a double, basically redundant recording to the Zoom, outputting from the Zoom into the GoPro. So if I get good audio and the GoPro will be more reliable with this time, this will be a good solution because now every time I'm rolling with the GoPro, I'll have the Comm recorded to it as well. Something else I should have mentioned out in the field. A core advantage for still keeping the audio recorder in is that you can see the audio meters, so you know you're getting good levels for setting your Comm volume. Previously, I didn't have a battery inside here, so every time that the bike would stall or I'd turn it off, I'd lose power to my GoPro, which then I'd have to go back into my settings in the GoPro and tell it again that, hey, I've got an external mic. Going this way, where I'll just leave it powered on for the most part, it'll always be on and my settings won't change. So we'll find out today. Again, this is all going to be a test to see if I can work out some kinks and to make my workflow a little easier.
Gonna do a ride over to Granite Falls, do a Mountain Loop Highway, and maybe see some service roads. So we'll go check out a little scenic area.
Yeah! That's the fun part about having the camera on the back of the bike.
Yeah. Oh, I wish I had your tires. I love corners, but with off-road mud tires.
Yeah. Yeah, I can definitely get leaning into these corners.
Yeah, that's nice.
And they actually did surprisingly well on all those off-road sections. Like I don't feel like, I maybe had a little bit less traction than you guys did. I don't know, not enough to justify swapping the tires back, right?
Yeah. I think the only advantage to the tires that we're rocking is when you're in mud and when it's wet.
Sure. Like fall, I might switch back to the 606 MT21.
All right, we should be entering into the backside of Granite Falls.
No shit. Okay.
And we're going to cut through Granite Falls and we'll be on Mountain Loop Highway.
Nice.
We're going to figure out a place to go camping, do our practice run with packing our gear and camping out, making sure we have everything.
Yeah.
I mean, we could even camp out on the mountain loop here.
Yeah. I mean, that's the thing that we can always look into today.
I like that sign. Corners. I got to remember not to lean as much.
Yeah. You're probably watching me
Yeah, having fun.
Yeah. Yeah, these tires were a great purchase.
Oh, I love this corner. On my R6, I can't drive it like an R6. Oh, I like that corner, though. Yeah, it's this road right here.
That one back to the right?
Yeah. Yep, this is it. Oh. I mean, this will test our suspension with the gear.
Yep.
Oh.
Especially these big whoops. Holy shit.
Yeah. They sneak up on you, too. Like all through here. Not going through that puddle.
Probably a good call.
I don't want to get wet today. Let's see. So I've been back there. I think that road ends up dead ending. Let's keep going up.
Okay. Hey, somebody's got a tent right up there.
Hammocks over there too. Yeah, you know, I think this could be a good spot to test out heavy gear.
Yeah.
Wow, what little guy? Oh, dude. Here's our camping spot, man.
Yes.
This
Fuck yeah.
is where
Fuck yeah.
we are going to camp.
This is it.
Heck yeah. That's a cool mountain up there.
Huge success was checking out the audio onto the GoPro, and it is there. But
Yeah. If I need to like act quick for any reason or like power through.
Say a command. Say a command.
so Adam came up with a brilliant idea of adding more foam. And that should help, because I think the button on the back is where it's saying say a command. It gets pressed and then it says say a command. And that's another button too.
Yeah, so with
putting
this
that foam,
with that piece folded in there to hold it in place, and then this one to set right here, so it's not going to press on that button. It shouldn't press on the jog button at all. And then when we close this up, no movement, no shaking.
yeah, that sounds a lot better in there. Another bonus factor is that found our camping spot that we're gonna do for a trial overnight trip. Check out this view, guys. This is a cool little spot that you can see. There's a nice fire pit behind us, pretty secluded. And as you can see from the footage of riding up here, it's got a lot of challenging points that we'll be able to really get a good feel of having our luggage on the back and how that's gonna feel when we're out on the trails out by Wenatchee. Huge success. So anyway, I feel good about it, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you on the next. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow.